What's up everybody? Long time no see. I'm Cleigh, and we've been hard at work collaborating with our new Nikon family. Today, we're excited to talk about two brand new options for filmmakers. As our first project together, we've integrated the Nikon Z Mount into our V-RAPTOR X and KOMODO-X cameras. I'm super excited about the flexibility and lens options this is going to open up. We know everyone wants to see what it looks like when Nikon and RED team up, and this is just the first step. But this new Z Mount integration is super sick. The tremendous flexibility offered for shooters in all different areas of filmmaking is pretty mind-blowing. The new Z Mount will be joining the RF mount versions in the lineup to offer even more variety for filmmakers to choose from. The cameras are already available for sale today on red.com or through a RED-approved dealer, and they're gonna ship in Q1. With these new Z mounts having an even shallower flange depth, you're gonna have all kinds of third-party adapter possibilities. But rest assured, we have a dope first-party Z to PL solution. These new Z to PL adapter packs provide a robust PL mount solution for both the new V-RAPTOR and KOMODO-X's. And they come with options. We got one with electronic ND and one without. The new Z mount has even allowed us to increase the power to the PL mount / eye pins. So we're now able to power both Canon and Fujinon servo lenses from the lens mount itself. No external cabling. You're welcome. These are all available for order now and will be shipping later on in the spring. So let's dive into some of the new improvements and options these Z mount cameras offer and why I'm so stoked. And for that, we're gonna need someone way smarter than me. Loren, hit him over the head with it.
Thanks, Cleigh. And while I've been asked to shorten my original 7-page script, I'm still really excited to talk about this new joint development. We spent a lot of time and effort implementing the Z mount on the Komodo and V-RAPTOR X's. This is a lot more than just swapping a mount on a camera and learning a new lens protocol. Rather, we've taken Nikon's cutting-edge optical technology and implemented it into a much more cinema-oriented workflow for our users. What's really great about this development is that as we began to implement this support, we kept finding more and more functionality that we felt could be modified to bring these lenses into a style of shooting our customers are more used to. You'll find that our control of iris is super smooth since we have access to ultra-fine increment control through the lens itself. We also have a full flexibility to assign the control ring and lens buttons to functions inside of the camera, which opens up a lot of really great use cases. These lenses, of course, can be fully controlled wirelessly using RED Control Pro, opening up a whole new remote camera position with full lens control. Keep an eye out for our lens coverage tool to see which lenses will cover what formats on both camera systems. In addition to all this lens integration, we've also leveraged Nikon's long history of excellent autofocus to work together and enhance the accuracy, precision, and tunability of our existing system. Focus algorithm updates are coming not only to the Z mount variants, but even the RF mount cameras thanks to this collaboration. There are of course some unique things to the Z mount system, as close coordination with the lens makes for an even better autofocus experience. Both the RF and Z cameras now have a sensitivity option, which allow users to control the time in which the autofocus will take to start to respond to changes in the focus box. But only Z lenses are capable of actually controlling the speed of the rack focus itself. The name of the game here is customization. There's an endless combination of lens configuration and autofocus tunability that's really going to open up a lot of new shooting styles to the amazing quality of RED sensors and R3D. Thanks, Cleigh. Back to you.
See what I mean? This dude knows his shit. This is an incredible beginning to our continued collaboration with Nikon, and I for one am hyped to see further investment in the V-RAPTOR and Komodo platforms. With new license-free firmware and functionality, we know you have a lot of questions, so hit the comments section or email redtech@red.com and keep an eye out for us to really get in the weeds in future RED techs. Now get out there and create something.